Hey guys, got a stainless steel hardened shackle, heavy stainless steel body padlock here, master padlock, and it's secured by ball bearing in there, and it's a 5 dimple pin lock. Don't really see these in the US. I haven't seen any. I haven't seen any actually, any at all, not where I am. But through the EU, UK, which is where I got this one from, they're readily available. I'm going to use this pick here. I'm going to try not to shake the camera around too much, but kind of awkward as my elbows are resting on the table. There you go. Although I opened it pretty quick, it's actually not a bad lock. Not really. It'll take a hell of a beating to forcibly open it, and I don't think too many thieves really are into picking. They're more into more Neanderthal ways of getting into things to steal your property. But anyway, as the saying goes, you get what you pay for. So look after your kit. Buy good protection. Not really saying this is good, but for a master lock it's probably one of the better ones. Catch you later guys.